Hello, this is k to the power of 2 minus k to the power of 3 equals 12, solving for the value of k that satisfies this equation. Now, I can have this as k power 2 minus k power 3 equals 12 is the same thing as writing 4 plus 8. From here, I have k power 2 minus k power 3 equals 4 is 2 power 2 plus 8 is 2 power 3. Let's move this over here. So we have k power 2 minus k power 3 minus 2 power 2 minus 2 power 3 equals 0. So from here, I have k power 2 minus 2 power 2 minus k power 3 minus 2 power 3 equals 0. So right now, I can have k power 2 minus 2 power 2. I can factor out negative here. So from here, there's minus here. There's minus here. I can factor out the minus. So have minus k power 3 plus 2 power 3 equals 0. So from here, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b. And if you have a power 3 plus b power 3, this is a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now this is a minus b times a plus b. This a plus b times this. So what we are going to do is, this is k minus 2 times, this is k plus 2 minus, this is k plus 2 times k squared minus k times 2 plus 2 squared equals 0. So from here, k plus 2, you can factor that out. Times this divides k plus 2, we have k minus 2. Then this have minus, this is k squared minus 2k plus 4, and this equals 0. So right now, we have k plus 2 times k minus 2. This becomes minus k squared plus 2k minus 4 equals 0. So from here, we have k plus 2 times k plus 2k, that is 3k. Then we have minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6. Minus k squared equals 0. So let's equate each of these to 0. We have k plus 2 equals 0. We have 3k minus 6 minus k squared equals 0. So let's solve each of them. So from here we have k equals negative 2. This is my k1. Now for this, we need to rearrange it. Minus k squared plus 3k minus 6 equals 0. So let's divide each term by negative 1 because this is minus. So negative k squared divided by negative 1, this is k squared minus 3k plus 6 equals 0. So what we are going to do will be to solve this quadratic equation. So we have k equals negative b plus or minus square root of p squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So from here we have a equals 1, which is equation of k squared, b equals -3, and c equals 6. So from here, we have k equals, this is negative times -3, plus or minus square root of, if it's -3 power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 6, divided by 2 times 1. So from here, k equals 3, plus or minus square root of, this is 9 minus 24, divided by 2. K equals 3, plus or minus the square root of, this is 9 minus 24. So this will simply give you 16. Sorry, it's 15. That is -15 divided by 2. So this equals 3 plus or minus the square root of -1 times square root of 15 divided by 2. So from here we have k equals 3 plus or minus square root of -1 is iota, that is I times, this is 15 divided by 2. So this will give us 1/2 of, this is 3 plus or minus I times square root of 15. So we have two complex values for k. We have k2 equals 1/2 of 3 plus I times root 15. And also we have k3 equals 1/2 of 3 minus I times square root of 15. So these are the two complex values. And we also have one real value, which is -2. We can verify. We have k equals -2. So we have k power 2 minus k power 3 equals 12. So we have -2 power 2 minus -2 power 3 equals 12. So this is 4 minus, this is -8 equals 12. 4 minus 8, this is 4 plus 8 equals 12, because negative is positive, and 4 plus 8 is 12. And this equals 12. So guys, that is it. And this is how you solve this problem. Thank you and goodbye.